Can I make a flag quiz game in under 10 minutes? Yes, if I don't need flags, answers, timers, everything. No, really, this took 6 hours to make. I mean, I've been doing game dev for 15 years. You'd think I'd have this done by now. Turns out I'm just new here. Anyway, I started the project by opening Figma because I can't afford Photoshop, obviously. Some clouds here and there, only with circles. A green start button that screams green. A title that's smooth and curvy, just like me. Do you need game screen? Here it is. Timer, progress bar, answer buttons, all the essentials. Okay, had to go back to make the title shinier, again, like me. Then I designed the correct and wrong answer states, added the score, and finally the lose page. You can see it's blue here, but in the game it will be dark, like my life. I added some stuff to the home screen and honestly, it's nice. Next, I uploaded every country flag in the world as PNG files, even North Korea. Then I wrote some code, a string for all the country names, short names and full names. And I wrote a function to get these. Adding the answer options? That took forever. Timers were a nightmare for me, so I begged my friend to make me a timer template. I mean, I still don't know how the pen tool works. Finally added the score and lose screen. And that's it. Working with Scratch has been a fun challenge. Sure, its limitations are tight as my backyard, but that's what sparks creativity. It pushes you to think outside the box, and honestly, isn't that the heart of game development?